Yule ngitiati ni penyo ni yolo ye ni research na ngarani ta research ya Amboseli.
Ore Amboseli recent ya Amboseli oleng 1978 1978 ore lwana gumonye kulo sai kuloji Rikisaruni Mejoli keino kule kai that time
correct keino oleng
yes kumoko oleng what happened Yetu shield wanage lashumba and you've read the chapter on in my book.
Yes,
the chapter on Amboseli.
I've read.
Yetu abalashumba ne bonwa ajo ore Amboseli Midimir Masai manage Amboseli. Midimir Masai manage Amboseli neaku enakai pe oruni Masai Amboseli pe manage national government. Nitumia
jime capacitated Masai manage
the lack of capacity. Nama yoladi ana capacity. I challenge it everywhere I go. Because if Masai did not have capacity to manage wildlife,
yes,
why is it that no other single community in the Republic of Kenya, out of 42 different communities,
yes,
why is it that no other community coexists with wildlife today? What is capacity, by the way? What is the definition of capacity?
Good question.
If it is not moral understanding of the environment and moral obligation to protect that resource, which is wildlife. Ndokitungu nana gimmicks na itumia airo nyermasa ya yengobo masa.
Correct.
Nebo nuya baneji ke Amboseli tenkaraki narizo nitumia a few politicians lor masa. Airiki lariko lor masa petumia itayu ena executive order bana itayu Kenyatta. I can tell you up to this very day.
Yes.
Mera engardasi na isaina ye Kajiado County Council aisho yango aisho Amboseli. Mera anything na rasa serikali, it was just an executive declaration by Kenyatta.
A verbal presidential order.
Yeah. Nothing. There is nothing, no legal binding because already president, he has the powers, he can make executive orders.
Yes.
Kaki, they must not be based on injustice.
Yeah.
You can make, you can use that power given to you, but you cannot abuse it.
Let me ask a question.
Yeah.
Toma kilikuwa na swali. Ama nolona itayu Kenya na presidential order. Ni effective immediately.
Ni effective immediately. Nita ini county council rangers. Nita ini bogi.
Ne kunyosa na ibogita na presidential order. Ele raisa ina itayu gaba no sekina.
Yes. Then what a very good question. Yeah. What a then after that negra namba mu itwito kila riko langa suja nitu to nyatu na boisho na sujarie na sia nato ni atorote lwana ore lwana aba who are fighting at that time Manolo Itiptip John King Lord Dr. Likimani ne wote ni wanga boge from the scene mpaka around 2000 and I believe around 2003 2004 Naludushi I question ajo kaja biko na yuge Amboseli. I started yes I started doing research Nas research Amboseli for 5 years What a findings and dogi na yu I discover na njere waki abengo Amboseli tango rine michagino ituwa benyora especially county council at that time. It was the Nyora County Council and they were the custodians.
Now bacha mana njilo jilikiman.
Yes, need to Nyora They never signed anything.
Yes.
They never deliberated in the county council assembly. Nothing.
So there were not transfer orders.
Nothing. Kenyatta got a Nyora from today KWS to Mugeja Wildlife and Management Department at that time to take over the management of Amboseli. Nalu was na research, Niki has na say ya research for about 3 years. Nadu muna report personally. Naya Chambers Orgejodo County Council. It happened that by the time I was taking that report myself, Idiba Bagenjo Orgejodo County Council I filed Orgesi against the government very Union Amboseli. So mine just became additional information.
Yes.
The
matter was already live.
The matter was in court already. And the county council Orgejodo and now county government of Orgejodo.
Yes.
At least that time, as far as I know, gave Bungeta title or it would have a title. They had the title. Yes. We don't do injustice.
Also, yes.
Enkironyolo show. Nitu nagi belegenyi na title. I believe it will do I follow after that gage. I believe it nagera in a title in the name of Olkejuado County Council. Amitu negele. Ore tata na harakati nelotu na nego kaju nevonu siasa ni terua ibongi na sia Lina Richata. Omiro rieki do Kibaki nenyora Kibaki ajoke rinyo Ambosela rinyo Kirmasai. Nita you statement. Me declaration. Nita you statement. Kibaki ajobe rinyo Kirmasai Ambosela. Wara kibita yuelerungani na statement nedu munye non-governmental organizations all ashimboshi na asyote Ambosela. Neikumok, edino Born Free Foundation, edino Africa Conservation Center, edino WWF, edino la shamba yuji David Western, although godine for 30 something years. Nedu munye aiteru global campaign na jo merinyo nirmasa yango.
My goodness.
Nenye campaign ni resiro piani ni file urkezi. Ne uningi to commotion. Ora ngite to ngani abana imuda ora he was the head of public service. Ne lodo influence Kibaki metegirai. Edwi transfer Ambosela.
Yeah.
Baka juzi peolodo governor yulelengu aituge initiate na process through the current president Ruto.
Yes.
Ure ndogi na agre ngase yemba ke leda ikai. Kanyo beto ni torinyo Nirmasa Ambosela.
Neither you have a president order.
Neither your president tene weji.
Na kailo mpaka sa.
Either your president Ruto directive.
Ora weno lona 24th of August.
Yes.
2023.
24th August 2023.
Around 2 p.m.
Neither you Ruto orders perinyo Nirmasa Ambosela.
Yes.
The question is, amadi directive a president. Amuni njaba nado nyaba nado Nirmasa Ambosela. Kanyo video rinyona presidential directive Ambosela rinyo Nirmasa.
Like immediately
like immediately.
It's a big question.
Okay. Tana na ikejuto yes, work out the logistics and the process.
Yes.
Pedumina do rinya olale that would be acceptable.
Wow.
Kakori naida nano na ayu agana joki President Ruto. In fact, this will be a legacy for him.
Correct.
To correct this injustice which was committed by President Kenyatta.
Yes.
To take away Ambosela from the Maasai people. He could leave a lasting legacy.
Yes.
In the minds of Maasai generations. Teneri nyogri Maasai Ambosela na natajongole.
Kanyo shiagira Maasai.
Politics notwithstanding.
Kanyo shiagira Maasai ala unanare netu Ambosela nye.
Pokitoki. Amadi na rana Maasai mara na tiene.
Yes.
Ho na ure na mara me dube ngigeroror Maasai.
Yeah.
Manara diore kuna positions kumo gole na ngera. Anara migira ngera na ati Narok.
Yes.
Na Facebook agasera. A lot of them would be here in these camps, in these lodges.
Yes.
As accounting, nurse, room steward, nurse, waiters, nurse, barmen, nurse, management, nurse, nina tujimbo.
Yes.
Kia rangera na idimaras I occupy nina departments moj ya kuna hotelini.
I agree.
We have a lot of educated young men trained vocationally, university.
Yes.
Niki atadul wanangeni naturally. Wede maras kuna togidi. Ewo ni nyambaka mataure watchmen.
Yes.
Isia inagezo rumasa nile tuwate soma.
Yes.
Tekunen meti. They don't get.
Yes.
Negira lariko netuwa na there is nothing going on. Negu ore ndog na ina tumir Maasai Ambosela teneri nyoni Ambosela na ndogidi kumogole.
Yes.
Tanga sata yula jore Maasai mara sai ne kumo etil ore nyaldo wana sai ograi benefit na wana le migiro na meta ilo igiro.
Yes.
Kia dar guide kumo gole ngura baba aldo na kop na jimara na ya training program na Jimara Guides Association. Na training gero Maasai tene na ta guides na iteragi an association na Jimara Guides Association na register even the national government, the national offices.
Yes.
Nigi netungulo kijana ni association. Now they negotiate everything. Game urenara mugera kumog ngarin. They negotiate rates.
Yes.
They negotiate work. They are making an income
Yes.
from an association apana iteraga naji Mara Guides Association. Ore baalo june mishoringa ormaza ejenga tuelale.
You mean olale lenye?
Olale le Masai Mara. They were not allowed. Ore saa hii meta nasita lale meti ni nagara ormaza.
Mpaka beti.
We have taken over the industry.
Yes.
Through that simple organization. Mara Guides Association is the most powerful youth association in Masai Land today. There is no other.
The Mara Guides Association.
Yes, ninjadi langulo midite lale lorgiombo saitene. Negore na ibe yugnin Masai Ambosel. We can do the same thing. Nige organize ngero Masai tine, ni nyangungari nenye, ni provide transport and tour guiding services. That is one.
Yes.
Already your Masai need the pride of the Masai people is their land. To call their land in their home. Ore ni nyangarna na reunion na jua Kajiado County Government is managing Amboseli National Park. To us, that is a lifetime achievement. Olo sholang. Ore ngai togi na amana ite nelotu ninye mara more ora baba ale Amboseli ibelekenya tatadi mba kidogo. Ore nari bile Amboseli you can't go through that park. You have to pay.
Yes.
Na dola jore shida na iwangeki na requirement. Kama nyina freedom agena na ralwana le Mara. If you are going from Sikinani to Talek.
Yes.
You can drive through the park without a problem.
Correct.
In Amboseli, you couldn't do that.
Yes.
With the Masai management, people will be free to move about in their land.
Yes.
Ore sisi ya yenena hotelini, Kajiado County government can actually require the lodges there.
Yes.
They apply a constitutional requirement of 70% employment quota system. Nehaku gata indogijin kumo goleng. Wo trade ana ntomonok. Nidara ntomonok association. Nemere sign lenyete na gates.
Yes.
Nemitogi ni haras. Ana atina tena gira haras.
Nita ini manyata na kunana.
Nita ini manyata na kuna. Nehaku tuwana free in their own land.
The economic factors.
Ama economic factors, cultural factors, identity factors. Yeah, freedom. Dogijinga nanina. Ambosel will transform that community.
Kayuni ngasa itabagine tata. Kake kishugunya kaya maikuna ba. Akore tonetwe ala ya shomo. Kaisi yenincho elelero lo sholor Masai urkiliwelo siligi. Tialo mba enchukunoto uongwapi na shomo. Nade nide mai tabolo yok konyek. Njo siyedi yok olosek asyo ngwedo na idimai na ini kisuj. Enkanyiti. Pade nito na ninye kindabaya na initejo. Neeku kitadotutuo esiana onkoben metaa keponu enkera naajang ashu yiok tenidimayu atum enkoitoi naji eing'ua enkibelekenyata enkatini olosho le maa enchukunoto esiana ake enkop ang tenetum shuku pookin.
Ashe oleng. Kegol oleng airorie nkera ormaasai itu ang'as airorie erikore. Amore dairy problems nikiata saa hii.
Na erikore.
Saa hii na erikore. Kaliki ajoki ore olosho oota erikore naata olosho toltau. Ore larikok oota olosho toltau naa keyau mabadiliko sapukin oleng atua olosho. Ore dii ena struggle nikiata onkulupuok nikitemita ajo matomit. Idimayu ng'ole ore tenibung'a erikore ormaasai na kibelekenyi the current trends.
Yes.
Amura na nadikata kirorita. Nikitoningo njere. Wore the rate of land selling in Masai Land today is at 5,000 acres per month. That is a crisis.
A serious crisis.
Can you remember that is a crisis? We have MPs.
Yes.
We have the governor. Amutobu raka Kajiado aju Kajiado has taken some steps.
Yes.
Amana amore na raka Kajiado na orenye apply again atoki naji agricultural land regulation. Kajiado is not allowing the subdivision of land below 1 acre right now. Na ore nyina na agi reduce losho no bono edoragi yok.
Yes.
Because ore binyangu 1 acre ne big plot tomo ne dorolwana ama each family in a plot that's already 5,000 people.
Neja asira na.
Na nije asira na kore tata kulorere noponu kinyang'uni ake 10 acres.
Shomo siya katakala.
Yes. Katakala.
Neji
Shomo diate ore kule tenewueji.
Ore kule.
Yeah, ore kule. Tijinga pulunga tenewueji. Ololtoto ina area moja keye. Kinyang'u kelotu oltung'ani lorere ninyang'u 10 acres.
Etai wei neji orkinyelo le Kipuri.
Orkinyelo kake kindurie lelo. Wameama.
Yendera wamo.
Ore ikasha ine amu eshomo la shomo. Kayu najo kegol oleng irorio lelero iturorie larikok.
Yasepole.
Na keeta kulo ore larikok lang sahi kutoka kiata MCAs, kiata irbungei, kiata women reps, kiata senators, nikiata gafanani.
Yes.
Na mayolo taneme yolo erikoro olosho le maa kuna nyamalitin tanaa they are too busy. Ashu they are just tired.
Yes.
Ashu they don't care. I don't know. Sometimes ore kuna tokitin nikiasita is a personal calling.
Exactly.
Kaya nikipik Enkai oltau naaji lino. Neeku naa you are going by your calling.
Yes.
Nebai neme necessary ore amu you have that calling.
Yes.
Men, it's not necessary that ashu me lazima me guarantee ajo itum erikore pimbelekeny anything.
Correct.
Kejing ndio oltung'ani torrono oleng erikore. Lemijali aitoki.
Yes.
Na ina naake mpango Enkai. Because ore ninye ening'or kwanza sahi. Amu anyor oshi aimaki Narok oleng because I know Narok like the back of my hand.
Yes.
Ore ninye ening'or sahi ore esiai e Senate. Senate office.
Yes.
Si ofisi ya propaganda. Ore esiai e Senate na peyie hakikisha ajo the devolution, the law serves your county.
Yes.
Nore county medi osiwo neme nkatambo nemerike. It's people.
Iltung'anak.
Nore sulaki the most vulnerable members of society.
Yes.
Who are those? It is mostly young people.
Correct.
And women. Meeta entoki nagira aendelea sahi te Narok. Zero.
Nothing is going on.
Ore kuna kuluponi kiworro tenewueji kijo matumito ate. We are not mikitumito support the Senate. O Senator ile Narok. He's nowhere to be seen.
Yes.
Teneurori njoi nikidol inoolong. Teneata enkiti toki nayieu nitoanishe county government nikidol inoolong. Kake ama tinakata ena situation orkiombo tenewueji. Keetai di crisis, meetai crisis nalang'u crisis orkiombo. This is land in the middle of Masai Mara Game Reserve.
Yes.
Naponunui auru irmaasai neya oltung'ani obo. Itu kidol osenatai elotu aimaki mbaa orkiombo. No, nothing. Ore ena quota system apa nemeyiok irmaasai oitaituo serikali.
Yes.
Anyoo pemegirai apply te Narok. That is the work of a senator.
Yes.
Keyieu nai noro senator naa keeta target najo ore by this time ekiyiolou ajo kaja on average scientifically.
Yes.
Not through propaganda, radio, TV. Scientifically, we can achieve this number of jobs.
Yes.
We see this number of jobs being created within a year.
Yes.
Now already on our positions are now 1,000. Ingero ormaasai is 700.
Yes.
Another mikiata ngero ormaasai naati Narok na Facebook emanya. Facebook inosi enda. Facebook, everybody lives in Facebook right now. Nemeyieunoto enye. It is because there are no opportunities. Neeku kayieu naisho ngero ormaasai osiligi tenkoitoi naikununo nji. Amu ore tinakata mbaa nagira aendelea naa ninche kwanza osiligi lai. Ore ninye nanu kwanza. I will repeat again, and I've said before.
Yes.
My total faith in the young people of this community lies in them. Meeta osiligi lelo osho if it is not in the young people. Amu ninjo isumate, ninjo nyamal aisul any other section of this community.
Yes.
Ninje oyeelewa ata ninjo nyamal ninjo elewa sheria. Ninje lemete nguretisho. Ninje tonitu brainwash.
Yes.
Ninje lemete political psychophancy. At least a good number of them.
Yes.
Na kulo tung'anak oidim atang'or ewueji enaa Orkiombo. Ore ng'ole lang'ole kijanani iltung'anak oibung'aki tene na Torkiombo,
Yes.
it was all young people.
Correct.
There was no old person.
Yeah.
What does that tell you? Lilo tung'anak ogira ang'or nkulupuok ormaasai sai. Neeku ore osiligi lele osho, it lies in the hands of the young people.
Correct.
Amu etejo irmaasai ore nkishu na nkupesi reti. It means ore oltung'ani oti ninye oidim ashomo, ninye fresh akili,
Yes.
ninye oota energy, ninye opi, ninye oota nduat, ninye ormurani,
Yes.
na ilo siligi lele osho. Mme iltung'anak laate egira aing'uraki. Mtu anang'ang'ana sana kuona vile atatoanisha politicians 100,000 ama 50,000.
Yes.
Mejing'u ntokitin, meretu olosho ntokitin enaa nina.
Correct.
Ore sii enkae toki naa ama naata saai lelero ele osho.
Yeah.
Tomorrow ninche ooku ntoiwuo. Kaidi ebulaki nkerai amu ore iyie naa kitoiutuo ntae.
Yes.
Nebaiki nineputua nkuti kulupuok. Ama dii nkera inyi teniming'orung'oro enakop, kaji ebulaki nkera inyi.
Ketii batisho.
I'm sure meeta oltung'ani oyieu neiu nkera netiu enaa nenkurle.
Correct.
Iyieu neini nkera inonok, neikini olosho lenye, nebulu tolosho lenye, nire enkutuk enye, neeku useful members of your community.
Yes.
Lelero agira ajoki, kaata yie ntae osiligi amu ntae ore future olosho naa eninyi. Mokure enang'.
Yes.
Eninyi. Naa ore tenkaraki ina ntae oota olola sapuk, naa yiolo ajo idimu amu iyatata numbers, iyatata enkisuma, iyatata courage,
Yes.
iyatata capacity. Ebaiki nemitumitoto siaitin.
Yes.
Ebaiki nemijali ilarikok aing'uraki ntae siaitin, kake iyatata nena kulie tokitin pookin.
Yes.
Neeku ayieu naisho nkera ormaasai lelero osiligi oleng. Kang'or nanu, eni, kitu ake atum enkoitoi naitijing'unye ena toki amu I want entoki njoo tening'i vizuri.
Yes.
I want an economic revolution in Maasai land.
Yes.
Yeah. Mpaka nedumunye iltung'anak oti aang'oroki ate siaitin.
Yes.
Nedumunye aang'oroki ate opportunities. Metum. Ore enapa contracts naaji ore 30% kila county nishori iltung'anak oti. Kakwa otumito te Narok.
Very few.
Kakwa igerito yamadi amu ore peigeri renjai 100 neyai 99 neishori are ashu okuni lormaasai nepuo nena kulie position pookin loreren. Ore peigeri sikarini the same. Ore peigeri army neishaa loreren nelejieki yiok nkera uni ashu ong'uan ormaasai. Ore pa county government e Narok. And in fact I have an issue with this.
Yes.
Ore pa county government enkare Narok piitangaza isiaitin uni ashu ong'uan naa lasima keetai guarantee positions ajo oolumba.
Yeah.
2. They can't fail. Mikienda adoi mikimbali kai tung'ani. We don't dislike anybody. But where is fairness when it comes to the Maasai people? Where? We are the ones taking away opportunities from our own children to please other people.
Yes.
Pekitum kura. Si afadhali kura ikae. Nepo kolosho lino.
Correct.
You leave a legacy. Nincho doi nye kulo tung'anak ooti nguvu naatumie financial power. Pekitum atang'or taisere.
Correct.
They need to learn from Lengu. Because what Lengu did is he was brought in pelotu aar irmaasai. Ore ake peejing'u newosh abauta nisik nelo ang'or irmaasai.
Correct.
That is what we need in Narok. Naa kayieu nikinteru aimaki entoki naji economic revolution. Naa iltung'anak ooti kiyieu nikinosie ina kiguana peekidumu strategy nikidumu nkoitoi nikinteru aikonyarie isiaitin employment. Amu megira aisho iltung'anak.
Aikonya.
Ore taata piilo yie inewueji neng'asi ajo ira olia logilata. Ama dii poverty keyiolo orgilata.
Meyiolo poverty.
Neji kolia logilata ele kishaa apa yiok kura ketu isho yiok kainyoo. How do you run a government, a county government based on nepotism and clanism and just short-sightedness? How do you do that? Na iyieu oltung'ani oripuku taisere ning'ua enkarna sidai. Kake ore ipuku taisere poverty has eaten into the bones of the community.
Sad.
We need to deal with the issue of poverty. Ore entoki emusho aishorita taadii iltung'anak osiligi ajoki ore kuna tokitin we can correct them.
Yes.
Kake we must come out and do something. Naa keeta irbarnot capacity. That's my message to them.
Yes.
They have absolute capacity to change things.
Their capacity.
They have a capacity. They have education. They have knowledge. They have the numbers.
Yes.
They have the intellect. They have the courage.
They have the energy.
Ore ndugu nemera na support the leadership. Na ni nyagire tuko lariko mmoja la graingo. If you are governor, if you are what MP, mara deliberate tengoto ni ngoriel rwana lang. Mano to target sajo. Ore by this time tanasi 1850 notogi. Nje angero ormaza is 1845.
Yes.
Nje bokunda kulir kulega reden pogi. Kanyor what is wrong? No below ye the nearby districts counties mitu you can't get.
True.
Na nyo what is wrong the netu mingero ormaza is 18 ne already nyana ga 100%.
Yanarege netu.
Yeah. Amwengo penye dia na nemera dikainebu.
Exactly.
Ore ndogi mwisho na hivyo najo na ndogi tayo mwisho kabisa. Na for a very 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 long time.
Yes.
Ndogi duana na kayu wagana ina ga iningir kuti Masai nebo.
Yeah.
Kita sycophant erikore olosho lama. We are sycophants. More gra lariko olosho. We are sycophants to the national leadership. Mere da olariko ni obo itunyito kuna gulubo lemedi mbene president. Nemero leme oro lemedi mbene president. Nedi mbene opposition leader. Oro lemedi mbene opposition leader, then you are nothing. You don't belong anywhere. Nigiari the ground.
You are neither here nor there.
Nigiari I miniamu itanye jinge mbene opposition leader. Nitanye jinge na serikali. Nigiari neji nini wewe uko hivi na hivi na hivi. Na wore tankaraki enchokuno ni shoku loreren. Amore le layo na lo loreren. Layo go lotion le nyato tawja.
Yes.
Mentai. Kitu mia enda na tissue paper.
Yes.
To achieve something.
We have learned a lot. Kino dito egeno na buto le ngomba ebo kwa masa. Neme shongolo nako. Mesho nyola ba aba mari. Kagora ngolo ngi chankai disho sini jeyo. Kipondo waya kende ngeno lo shamba ga ningi jogoki na munot na ana rele yume. Ediendo kine maga na minyasa ni menere ni kwa asho eneuni. Do na full economic revolution. It's inevitable. So that is a conversation that should start right away.
Yeah.
Na garas na mwere di peye I roll.
Absolutely.
Na jege lo shelo arma sa ashira ngara ngine to sojayo. Cheniyo na buko na egebe number ni weji bitum ahoma to shoki John ni yake na buko asho epic order. Ore singira iso no dengeno olokeo miredi siye lo shole ngenonia. Tene na di yolo. Na maka shamba nere ni kona to shogi yo mai tu ibani. Amere to ni kibure elo shogi ya semana ya dam next yo kana. Kaji Daniel Odesito ne yolo bai.